Hello, my dear friends. This lecture is all about the crunch tool. With the help of this tool, we can create multiple types of word list, and we can create any type of word list with the help of crunch tool. Normally in the market and on the GitHub, we have many more tools, but the crunch tool is the most famous tool in this scenario. And the good thing is that it comes with a pre-install in the Kali Linux of all versions and even in the Parrot operating system. And if not, then simply apt install crunch, and that's it. Now let's start from the basics and complete up to the advanced session of the crunch, how to use it. So start from here. Simply you want to create a word list, then the simple rule is type the crunch name, crunch crunch, and next it have minimum two parameters, actually three parameters. First parameter is that what is your minimum length of your password that you want to create. So if I type 3, and what then the second parameter is what is your maximum length of your password. So let's suppose that that is 5. And third parameter is which keywords or which words are included in your word list or in your passwords. So I guess that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So I press enter. Now it create a 1,11,000 keys word list for me. Here is these are a lot of keys. Now repeat the command, and let's suppose I want to create the maximum up to 6. Okay, the word list is start creating. Here are the words. These are the combination of your selected keywords and letters. It created in a very small time. Now, second parameter is if you want to save this one, if you want to save your created database or file, then you have a -o parameter. Let me repeat the previous command, and let's suppose that in my dictionary have ABC 12398UI. These keywords are included, and my minimum length is 4 and maximum is 6. Okay, and now press enter. So dictionary is started. Now let's suppose that I want to save these passwords or these keywords in a file. Cancel it. Repeat the previous command, and in the last you just need to add a simple parameter like -o, not the capital O, small letters O, space, uh, type of file name in which file you want to save these passwords. So I want to save in a file which name is temporary.txt. Now press enter. Okay, so it successfully created a dictionary. Now let's read it with the help of cat tool, temporary.txt. Here are the passwords which are saved in the temporary.txt file. Cancel it. Repeat the previous command and change the size of dictionary. Like, let's suppose the minimum is 8 and the maximum is 12. And these keywords are included in my dictionary like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and A, B, C, D, R, G, L, K, P, O, and Y, H, and press enter. Now I cancel it because it show me that it create a 154 petabytes size of a dictionary in which have these number amount of passwords, and then it automatically saved it that password into this file temporary.txt. You can rename it as whatever you want. So I just show you the method. Now the next is uh, if you want to create the combination of letters from 0 to 9 integer, then you have this method like crunch. and then the minimum password length, which is, let's suppose, 4, and the maximum is 6. And now you have an extra parameter, like if you type -p and then you type 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then press enter. So let's see what happened. You can see these are the combination of the letters, but if I remove the -p keyword, then what happened? It created a 7 megabytes without the -p keyword, and it starts from the 0. And if I add the -p parameter, then it creates a 38 megabyte of dictionary and start from, I think I need to restart it. Okay, here. So it starts from 0 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9. Then it add one by one parameter into these all dictionary passwords and create a strong combination of these keywords. Next, we have crunch, minimum 5, maximum length, and a simple password using file. So this is an introduction about the crunch. Now, in the next lecture, we are going to start from the advanced session, and that's it for this video.